Hey, what is up, guys? XWall Beast here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing my Pokemon cards right over here. So yeah, it's kind of a typical kind of thing. It's popular in kids. Okay, don't judge me. I had nothing for a video idea to do, so I just looked on my desk, found these Pokemon cards that are from like, God knows, 2 years ago. I don't know, but I have a Yu-Gi-Oh card in here. Yeah, but I'm going to be showcasing them anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so the first one here is the Plume Fossil, right here. Just take a look at it. Look at the bottom of 7 cards in your deck. You may reveal an Arcan you find there and put it onto your bench. Shuffle the other cards back into your deck. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. I have a Zekrom EX right here. It has 180 HP. Glinting Claw, 50 plus. Flip a coin. If heads, this attack does 30 more damage. Take a look at it. If it's backwards, I don't really care, but it's good if it's not backwards, that's good. So you can look at it by yourself. I'm gonna make it focus. No, I can't, but you probably can see it. Yeah, so let's move on to the next card. This is a Porygon 2, right here, as you can see. It has Destructive Beam. Flip a coin. If heads, discard an energy attached to the defending Pokemon. Yeah, it's pretty normal, okay? I have a level ball. Search for your deck. Search your deck for a Pokemon with 90 HP or less. Reveal it and put it into your hand. Shuffle your deck afterward. Okay. I also have a, I don't know how to say this, Suicune. It has an Aurora Beam, which I think it just does 70 damage. It's water type too. I have a Sky Arrow Bridge. The retreat cost of each basic Pokemon in each play is less. I have a Krogunk right here. I have Hook, which does literally 10 damage, has 60 health, it's Psychic type, and has the Corkscrew Punch, which does 20 damage. That guy sucks. Swadloon, I have him. He has Tackle, which does 20, and String Shot, which does 20. Flip a coin. If heads, the defending Pokemon is now paralyzed, so that's pretty good. Plant type. Aaron is Metal type. He has Headbutt and Iron Head. I have a Special Energy. Plasma. Yeah, Plasma Energy. I have a Snorunt, which has Headbutt and Powder Snow. It is a Water type. I have Shinx. It is Electric type. Jump On, I'm pretty sure that does, if flip a coin, if it does 10 damage, but if you flip the coin and if it's heads, it does 20 damage. So the Static Shock is 20 damage, and yeah. I have a Zweilous. It is, I don't know what type it is. It looks like Dragon or something. I don't think Dragon is a type. It could be. But flip a coin, crunch, flip a coin. If heads, discard an energy attached to the defending Pokemon. I have Dragon Claw, which does literally 80 damage, which is pretty good. It can kill itself with that. It has 80 health. I have a Cubchoo, which is Water type. It has Sniffle and Belt. Yep. I don't want to waste time in the video, so I'm going to stop reading the descriptions. It has Beat that does 10 damage and Double Headbutt 10 plus. So it's the same 10 damage. It's also a plant type. I have Natu, who is a Psychic type, and he has Peck, which is the attack, the only attack. Swablu, which is basic type, I think, or plasma type, I don't know. Flip a coin. If heads, the defending Pokemon is now paralyzed. So that's Glare Impact, 10 damage, that's all. Ooh, I have a really deteriorated card here. It's a Rhyperior. Has Rock Blast 50 times and Rock Wrecker 130. I have a Mindfu. I'm just saying it like that because I know how to speak some German. Flop does 10 damage and Lunge does 30 damage. It is a fighting type. Or it might be a type. I don't care. Dwebble I have is a plant type and he has Bug Bite. Muck is a psychic type and he has Gentle Wrap, Toxic Secretion. Gentle Wrap does 20 damage and Toxic Secretion does 60. I have a Serperior, which is plant type. It has Solar Beam, which does 80 damage. I have Sigilyph, which is a psychic type, and has Cutting Wind, which does 70 damage. I have a Lickitung, which is Misha's favorite Pokemon, obviously, and it has Lunge, which does 50 damage. I have a Bagon, which is a Dragon type, I think. And he has Headbutt, which does 10 damage, and Dragon Claw, which does 20. I have a Furfrou, which is a basic type. What the heck? I got this from McDonald's. I got it from McDonald's, guys. Okay, let's move on. It has 90 HP and it has Tight Jaw, which does 20 damage, and Sharp Fang, which does 50. Electabuzz is electric type and has Low Kick that does 20 damage and Magnetic Blast that does 50. Teddiursa is basic type, has Honey Snack, which heals 20 damage, and Scratch, which does 20 damage. I have a Vulpix, which has Fire Breathing 20 plus. It's also a fire type. I have a Zoroark, which is a dark type, and it has Brutal Bash 20 times and Dark Rush 20 times. I have a Clefairy, which is a fairy type, and it has Moonlight, which heals 30 damage, and Pound that does 20 damage. I have Trapinch, which is a fighting type. It has Mudslap, which does 10 damage, and Mountain Munch. Almost done. These are the two more cards I have left. I have Scorpy and Shelmet. Poison Sting is for Scorpy, which poisons the opponent's active Pokemon, and Pierce does 30 damage. It's also a psychic type. Shelmet is a plant type, and it has Jump on 10 plus. It does 10 more. It's 10 damage, but it does 10 more if the coin is flipped. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Pokemon card review video. I literally had no video ideas, so I just came up with this. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to share this video too if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!